Good morning. It's April 30th, 2018. It's about 10 a.m. Clayton Keller here with Shingle Bright Roof and Siding Cleaning, and today we are also fence cleaning. We're doing the wood privacy fence around the sewage treatment plant at Fremont Hills. Just across from hole number 16 on CC. We'll show you what we do. We're using our low pressure method. We're cleaning the inside and the outside. It's a pretty big facility. It's like an 8-foot tall fence. I'll be putting the low pressure wood cleaning solution on. Grant's coming behind me using the 8-gallon a minute pressure washer, but he's not really using pressure. He's just rinsing it with we call it ball valving. We don't even need a wand on it. We'll show you what our process is and how it works. All right, here's one section of the fence that we have not done yet. This is a treated privacy fence that's also been stained. It's pretty hard to tell that it's been stained though. It just looks like it's weathered. It's got so much dirt and algae and stuff on it. Once we do our process though, you'll see the stain coming through. It'll make a big difference. All right, now I'm putting our low pressure cleaning solution on here. You're gonna see it start to change colors immediately. It's hard to, in this light, maybe to see it, but you can see we're starting to get the gold stain color back to it. You see there's no pressure, we're just applying our soap to it. Across the bottom here, come across the top. Tops are usually the hardest to get clean, so we'll hit them pretty good and just let the rest of it run down. So it's probably right in the sun. I'm putting this on a little bit heavier than what I really need to do. It's hard to do this with one hand. A lot of times we'll go one direction and come back and see if we missed anything. Section that I just treated, so it looks pretty good. You can tell the difference, I think, quite plainly from in the transition zone there. Again, I was doing it with one hand, so you can see down here. You can see how there's some black right there. Of course, I'll hit that again, but that's what the fence looked like before we started, just to give you a real good idea of the difference. Another spot right over there in the corner. We'll take care of that right now. Here we are just a few minutes later. Grant's already been through here and ball valved all this. Again, that's our term for rinsing. Everything looks awesome. All the black is gone. The stain is showing back through. When it dries, it's going to still need probably a restain or something, but this will be the first process anyway. But it's going to look so much better that they might be able to just leave it like it is. That'll be up to them. We clean them, we don't stain them. All right, we're inside the sewage treatment plant right now. Usually a breeze works against us, but today it's a blessing. I'll let you figure that one out. You can see on the left side that we've already done that. Grant's already ball valve rinsed it. We've treated it. Now he's going to be treating the gate, and we'll let you see how this actually works. You can see the fence is already changing colors. The inside of the fence like this one is actually harder to clean than the outside because you got so many different angles you got to get under and in between and stuff. Our process makes it pretty easy. As you can see, the results are almost instantaneous. You'll go back over and hit any spots that still show some black on it. But if you compare this process to standing out here with the pressure washer trying to clean this thing with pressure, you can see why this is vastly superior. For one, it does a much better job, and for two, you're not here for the rest of your life trying to get it clean. You can see it's cleaning it up. We can adjust the strength of our wood cleaner as we need to. We can turn it up, down, whatever we need to do. This is about a medium strength right here. You don't really want to see it clean just immediately. That's probably stronger than necessary. It's just overkill. This fence will be looking great here in a little bit. So you can see the part that's already starting to dry. You see that side over there maybe. See that right side of the gate? It looks pretty good. Then we'll just give that a rinse, and it's good and clean, ready to stay the way it is or be stained, either one. All right, the whole fence is cleaned inside and out. It's about as good as it can look. Clean as it can be. That happens a lot. We see this kind of thing with fences, decks, even painted houses a lot, like wood houses, hardy board that's painted. People think they need new paint because it looks dingy and maybe faded and stuff. A lot of times it's just dirty with a lot of algae and stuff going on. It's like this fence was. It's all cleaned up. Shingle Bright, signing out.